Hey, what's up guys, this is Ian. Today I'm going to show you this short, tiny back to school prank. You're going to want some gum, and I'm going to open this up, put it down here. So you're going to want some gum, like close color to your pencil. Then you're going to want to take your pencil and you are going to want to have the tip, take it off. You kind of want to twist it, and then it should come off. Now I'm going to chew this gum up, and I am going to get into a position like eraser. I'm going to open this up a little more. You want your gum nice and like soft, so it might be a little while. And take the pencil, and take the gum, and I'm going to rip off a piece, put that in the gum wrapper. Now I'm going to rip off another piece. You want to get it to the perfect size. You want to put it in there, just take off tiny pieces. So right now, I have a little bit in there. Putting more in. I'm just going to grab a little bit more. You're going to want to shape it so it looks like an eraser. That's it for today. Bye.